King Constantine II, 82-year-old former monarch and the last king of Greeks, suffered an acute stroke while he was at his home in Athens and was rushed to the ICU of the hospital. He faced several health problems in recent years. On Saturday, members of the Greek royal family rushed to the Metropolitan Cathedral of Athens to pray for the King Constantine II, who is hospitalized and is in a very critical condition in the intensive care of the Hygeia hospital. Earlier, some of the family members had traveled from abroad to stand by the former king, who is fighting to stay alive. His sister Sophia, who has the title of Queen Mother of the Spanish throne, arrived in Greece unexpectedly, while Benjamin of the Philippos family and his wife Nina Flor traveled from Jaipur in India to Athens after the serious health development of his father. Constantine's sister Irene was also present at the chapel, as were Marie Chantal and Tatiana Blatnik, wives of the Pavlos and Nikolaos. The former king and his wife had moved to Monarchy from Porto Heli last spring in order to be monitored by his doctors and to be close to the hospital where he is being treated. We join the Greek royal family in prayers for the king.